Jari Titi Jari Magari Sani Rama Padasa.
Vande Sangeetam. We are now moving with the Kaveri and we have reached Tiruchirappalli. As I told you earlier, Kaveri has a lot of stories to offer about bhakti, about the life of the people, and many more things. One very popular story is that of a Chetty Pen, or the lady from the Vaishya community. There was a girl called Ratnavali, and she was an ardent devotee of Siva in Tiruchirappalli, Trishiragirinatham. Before that, Trishiran, there was an Asura who worshipped Lord Shiva, and hence that hills or that place is called Tiruchirappalli. Another story or another version of it is that there were three peaks, Tiruchiram. One where there's a Shiva temple, one where there's an Ambal temple, and one there's a Pillayar temple. So all these three together is called Tiruchirappalli. This is one version. So this Ratnavali was an ardent devotee of this Shiva. And she was coming to the temple daily, offering her prayers. And she became pregnant. She wrote to her mother, asking her to come and help her during those days. Her mother sent her a letter that she's coming. But at the time when her mother left, with all the bhakshanams and all the seer and etc., Kaveri was in a spate. Huge floods. She couldn't cross Kaveri. At this time, this Ratnavali prayed to Lord Shiva. She said, I wrote to my mother, she's not come. You have to save me. Lord Shiva, along with his wife Parvati and Ganga as two nurses, and he took the garb of Ratnavali's mother. He came and helped her deliver the child, the baby. They were there assisting Ratnavali. The flood receded. The mother crossed Kaveri, came to her home. And nobody was excited about her arrival. She didn't know what had happened. She had come there after a long time, and she had brought so many bhakshanams and eatables for her daughter. She didn't know what had happened. She was just blank because nobody was there welcoming her. She just walked inside and asked Ratnavali what happened, and she found the baby. You already delivered? She asked. Ratnavali said, why do you ask this question? You were the person who came here, assisted me and did everything, and suddenly one fine morning you asked me, have you delivered the baby? All of them got a shock. They got a shock of their life. They didn't know who had come in between and helped Ratnavali. And then she, out of bhakti, she roared, she screamed at Lord Shiva, is this how you protect your devotees? What a kind-hearted person you are. And Lord Shiva answered in Ashariri. He said, yes, it's my duty. Once you have taught of me, then it's my duty to help you. And she asked, why did you come in the garb of my mother? You could have very well saved me from the hill that you are. I uttered your name, you could have saved me from there. Why did you come in the garb of my mother and help me? I feel so embarrassed. For which Shiva replied, இந்த சமயங்களில் 1000 பரமேஸ்வரன் இருந்தாலும் போராது, அம்மா பக்கத்தில் இருக்கணும். Which means, during these times, even 1000 Parameshwarans will not suffice. The mother should be there, and hence I took the garb of the mother. And that is why Shiva is referred to as Tayu Manavar or Mathrubhootham. In the song Muthuswami Dikshitar, Sri Mathrubhootham, he refers to this story in just one line, Vaishya Jati Stri Vesha Dharanam. You took the garb of a Vaishya Jati Stri to help Ratnavali. What a compassion Lord Shiva has. Or what a beautiful story this is. Talking about the Lord's greatness. Talking about the greatness of the mother. And how the mother is important during such circumstances. So many things that we infer from these stories. श्रीमातृभूतं त्रिशिरगिरिनाथं श्रीमातृभूतं त्रिशिरगिरिनाथं हृदि चिन्तये सुगन्धि कुन्तलाम्बसमेतं 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 श्रीमातृभूतं त्रिशिरगिरिनाथं हृदि चिन्तये सोमसकं नत शुकसन कन्नळ सोमसकं नत शुकसन कन्नळ कमादिविजय कमनीयागं नळकमादिविजय कमनीयागं सोमं शिरोधृत सूर्यगङ्गं सोमं शिरोधृत सूर्यगङ्गं कोमलकरधृतकुरङ्गं गुरुगुहान्तरङ्गलिङ्गं कोमलकरधृतकुरङ्गं गुरुगुहान्तरङ्गलिङ्गं श्रीमातृभूतं त्रिशिरगिरिनाथं हृदि चिन्तये सुगन्धि कुन्तलाम्बसमेतं श्रीमातृभूतं त्रिशिरगिरिनाथं हृदि चिन्तये वासवादिदेव वन्दितचरणं वैश्यजातिस्त्री वेषधरणं वासवादिदेव वन्दितचरणं वैश्यजातिस्त्री वेषधरणं वासुदेवमहितं भवतरणं वासनादिरहितान्तकरणं धरहा सत्रिपुरादिहरणं वासुकी प्रमुखाभरणं भासमाननववरणं दासजन सन्तोषकरणं सुवासितनवजवन्ति पुष्पविकास प्रियहृदयं सदयं सुवासितनवजवन्ति पुष्पविकास प्रियहृदयं सदयं मासवर्षपक्षोत्सवविभवं सदाशिवं परमशिवं मासवर्षपक्षोत्सवविभवं सदाशिवं परमशिवं श्री मातृभूतं त्रिशिरगिरिनाथं हृदि चिन्तये सुगन्धि कुण्डलाम्बासमेतं श्रीमातृभूतं त्रिशिरगिरिनाथं हृदि चिन्तये.
Hari